This is all the fresh snow. It was shoveled. I don't know if you can see it. Snow everywhere. It's like a snowshoe spreading fake snow or something. Right there, that's where the Sebring's parked. It's not been shoveled out from the first snow. Let's see if I can walk around back. Holy cow, see, look. This is all snow from this morning. I'll pull my foot out, hopefully you can see. This is all this morning's snow. And go around to the backyard. Oh, it's freezing cold. You can see the gate. That's the backyard. That's a chair completely covered. I don't know if you care. The fence. I'll try to make it from the... so you can see the back porch because it's crazy on the back porch. This is all this morning's snow. This was all shoveled out as of last night. Alright. Nobody's out. The city is completely silent, which is crazy. Just tons and tons and tons and tons of snow. Oh, we'll go down the sidewalk. The actual sidewalk. This is the sidewalk in front of the house. Hasn't been shoveled out from the first one. And that's going down. You can see I'm standing right in the way too. There's my precious little car.